How to log out of your account on AirBrush application. First, you want to open your AirBrush app, and inside the application you want to simply tap on settings. And if you have bought the AirBrush premium application, you'll be able to see your profile over here. If you don't have the AirBrush premium, you won't be needing it to edit your videos on the application. However, if you do have the AirBrush premium, you'll be able to see your profile over here. After that, you want to simply scroll down all the way from your profile, and at the very bottom of your screen you'll be able to see an log out option. You want to simply tap on that log out option to log out of your account. However, there is another way to log out of your account as well, which is much quicker than this process. Come back from the app completely, tap and hold onto the AirBrush application and tap on app info. Tap on storage and cache and simply clear your storage from here. By doing so, you'll be deleting all the users' data, hence logging you out of your account as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.